Hi guys! Ako, may nakita akong moose. Check natin kung nandito siya sa likod namin. Nasa likod bahay na kumakain siya.
Hello! Cute. I'm just taking video. Hi. Oh my god. Good thing it's not so cold outside. It's just 2 degrees. Oh my god, he's staring at me. Hopefully he will not run. Hi.
Yeah, she's going here. She doesn't know where to go. No food.
Oh baby.
Hi guys! Good morning. We are at the library now. We need to find a book. Then I found my book. Kids book. Then I need to read it and explain it, and we need to write it on Monday about the story we read. Galing kami sa library. Snow.
Oh my god. Look at that snow. So much snow. Yan. Ang dami at school. Snow.
Hi guys, good morning. Today it's Saturday, weekend again. So I'm going to walk since we have a sun. It's a nice day today. Let's walk guys. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's -6. Good thing it's -6, so I can walk outside and it's sunny. Look, so nice. Dahil nag-snow kahapon, ayan, may snow na naman ng mga puno. So white. It's so nice. Oh, look. Everything is white. It's so beautiful. Since I came here 8 months ago in Norway, and it's my first winter, grabe, amis na amis pa din ako. Ang gaganda ng mga puno. Look guys, ang daming papunta ng Sweden. Shopping sila. Oh. Every Sunday kasi guys, close ang store dito or ang mall. Lahat close. So, Saturday pa lang nagsha-shop na yung mga tao. Most of the Norwegian, they go to Sweden to shop because it's more expensive here in Norway. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa forest. Lalakad. Everything is white. Look that. Look at that. It's so nice. Ganda-ganda talaga dito, lalo na pag winter. Pero malamig lang. Pero ang ganda. Yung mga puno, white na. I'm still amazed. Even it's cold, a little. But when we have sun, it's okay. It's nice to walk outside. Oh my God. Look. Look guys. It's icy na dito. Yan. Pag di ka nag-ingat, naku, ang dulas. Sobrang dulas. So, yung area na yan, naku, kailangan huwag ka dyan tumapak. Dito lang tayo sa may snow. Ayan guys. Balik na tayo. Lumalamig na siya. Feeling ko negative 8 na eh. So yun guys. Oh my God. Ingat tayo dito dahil so much slippery. Look. Naku, nakakadulas yan. Nakakabali ng buto. Kaya ingat-ingat. Yan. Oh my God. Malayo-layo din ang nalakad ko siguro 30 minutes mahigit. So yun na yung exercise natin for today.